Anesthesia OS is a cloud-based, modular, electronic medical record that enhances the point of care from the doctor to the patient, as well as makes it easy, fast, and mobile.
It basically builds an amazing anesthesia record that we normally would have to keep on paper. This normally would take us 10 minutes or so to do on paper. We found a way to build it where we actually can do it electronically in a matter of minutes.
It can be utilized either on an iPad, which is an iOS system, mobile device, or a Windows Surface Pro tablet, which is a Microsoft device, or via a web portal, and that's on any type of computer or laptop.
EMRs for anesthesia exist within hospital systems and on larger scales, but no system was ever scalable from one doctor to over 10,000. And so we designed a system that can do that.